What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, wow, the Bitcoin price is finally pumping. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely amazing. From yesterday's news, which we had, which I'll cover in just a second, we are seeing a massive pump right here on Bitcoin, over $10,000 to the plus side for Bitcoin. This is amazing. However, there are some things which I need to cover in today's video, and we do have a very strong level of volume range resistance exactly where we are right now, which I need to talk about in today's video, guys, because it's going to be an absolutely action-packed. I'm going to update you on my trades, exactly what happened, and of course, an outlook for the market going forward. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching out there. To give back, slap a like on today's video and comment anything down below, and I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're in the UK, USA, UAE, or Europe, please do not watch or engage with my content. So let's get into the video, because let's remove this VPVR for a second. We can always go back to it and take a little bit of a look at this pump, because it is some serious pumpage right here, guys. This is absolutely crazy. We saw a breakout from this level right here, and we just absolutely skyrocketed to oblivion, and this is ridiculous. Yes, it is because of President Trump speaking about crypto and Wall Street execs after today's crypto meeting. We ensure that America remains the undisputed leader, not only in Bitcoin and crypto, but also technologies like prediction markets and artificial intelligence. So I'm sure there's been a massive pump across the board for multiple different assets, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. Also, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong stood with Trump and said that the US is already the crypto capital of the world. I'm not sure I agree with that completely, but let's see. The shift is real. From an enforcement blitz to wins like the Genius Act, a Bitcoin reserve, dropped lawsuits, and regulators engaging with the industry. Capital, banks, and market activity are following. But the biggest clarity bill is still stuck at the Senate, and other countries are not waiting. That part is very, very true. Other countries are pushing further forward with crypto, and I think Trump just doesn't want to get left behind, guys. Honestly, that's why we saw a massive pump after this meeting right here. And we will see more progress with the Crypto Clarity Act. And of course, we can see it from the charts right here. This is absolutely beautiful. We saw a massive pump all the way from starting down here at 64,500 all the way up here to 72,000, almost around 11% pump. If we take from the bottom here, it's even higher, around 15% and $10,000. This is absolutely amazing. However, we do have some things right here we need to be careful of. If we go to the daily chart and we take a look at this, we can see that we do have a massive wall right here. Look at this. We can see the price is even in it right here. If we can manage to get past this, the next stop, in my opinion, would be up here at approximately 86,000 US dollars. Now, do I think that's going to run? Potentially it could. However, I think it's a little bit soon to be talking so bullish about crypto, and it's a little bit soon to be saying we're out of a bear market and we're in a bull market. It's not true, guys. Look at the 4-year cycle. You can still have bullish times, bullish news in a bear market. It's completely possible. Sometimes you can even rally 20 to 30% in a bear market. It's completely possible. So we need to remain logical and smart. And yes, I was trading this pump on my private Telegram group, guys. We can see right here 141% position right there, a Bitcoin long on Ubit. This was on my private account. You can actually get access to all of these trades by joining Chart Chasers down below, completely free. We can see right there Solana as well, 100%. And these were posted probably a few hours before the pump happened. We can see right there Solana was pumped, and people were commenting saying it's probably not going to work out. Also Bitcoin as well, gold as well. So I did take those trades privately. My public trades, which I'm taking, I closed my position on Ethereum and Bitcoin in a loss, unfortunately. However, I am up quite a lot on my gold position here over on Ubit. I'm up around $20,000 on that gold position on Ubit, and I'm really happy with it, guys. We see a mass level of liquidations, guys. What's happened over the past 24 hours? 3.34 billion have been wrecked, predominantly shorts. If you got wrecked on a long, I'm not really sure how, because it's just literally been vertically up like a rocket. But 3 billion was wiped out with shorts, unfortunately. And we can see that we do have the next move identified. So let's remove this. Let's take a little bit of a look, because probably now we are back above, not probably, we are back above the 200-day moving average or weekly moving average. If we go to the weekly chart right here, take a look at the weekly average, we can see we are well above this 200-week moving average right here. So that currently was at about 64.5K, and now currently we're sitting at almost 72K. So this does happen in the past, guys. Don't let it fool you. We can see back here in the previous bear market, we saw this massive candle exactly right here, and we did in fact pump above it, and then we got rejected back down below, pumped above, back down below. It does happen in a bear market, guys. We can see down here at the bottom, we saw a pump of approximately 50%, and then we saw another green candle in 1 week right here of about 25%. So again, this green candle looks absolutely gigantic, and it's around a 15% candle on the weekly chart, but the week is still to go. It's only a Thursday. We still have a few days left. We've got a little bit of the weekend coming up as well, so don't be too bullish. I think it's great news that we are getting a little bit of freedom and clarity for this Clarity Act. However, just remain calm, because there are, of course, some things to come in this market which are unpredictable. Also, keep in mind, guys, I did open a trade over on Coinbase Advanced. You guys know I'm partnered with Coinbase, and I've been using them for many years, and I actually bought my first bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I bought Ethereum for $30 on Coinbase back in the day, and I'm trading on them once again. So I have this trade right here. I opened a small trade with a 5x leverage right here, and it's currently up 58% right there. I plotted this out on the Coinbase Advanced chart, and we can see that it's pretty much following the same pattern which I plotted out right there. This is in fact a descending triangle, or potentially a falling wedge, depending on where you look at it. And most likely it should break towards the upside. So I'm leaving this trade open on Coinbase Advanced. I'm going to keep it open. I think potentially we could have a little bit of a retracement back towards the downside. It's unlikely that if we do see this pump, there will be no retracement. And of course, many people will be trying to catch that short over on Coinbase, and many people will be trying to catch that short in general, because when we have such a large pump right there is a short position. The reason I'm trading on Coinbase, guys, number one, it's a completely trusted exchange, in my opinion, and they have a lot of new things coming out, of course, and it allows people in countries where they can't really use other exchanges, but Coinbase has a lot of licenses, a lot of regulations, and do check if it is legal in your country, but I do believe they are legal in a lot of countries, including many countries of which you are probably watching from right now. So I really recommend to go down below, and there's actually an amazing offer to sign up for Coinbase. You can get up to 275 USDC, and you might say, Jack, I've heard these things before. I never get these bonuses. This one you actually can, because these community incentives right here are crazy. First of all, you can get 25 USDC simply just for completing the ID verification. Then if you want to deposit 2,500, it's another 25 USDC. And then if you just make your first trade, there's no volume, no limit, no amount requirement for that. You can get another 25 USDC. So there's an easy $75 right there, literally for doing nothing. You can get it probably in 10, 15 minutes. It's super, super simple. There are more also if you wanted to get that. Also, you're going to get VIP tier 1 for spot only on Coinbase as well, which Coinbase aren't giving out this kind of stuff regularly, guys. It's that kind of market that we're in right now. You need to make the most of these bonuses and offers, which they are giving, and an 80% reduction in fees for a limited time only. You also get access to 24/7 dedicated concierge as well, which is an elevated level than normal. If we go down here and take a look at the concierge right here, we can go down right so and take a look at it. Referred users, 24/7 concierge and support for 90 days from sign up during the current roll up. So again, this is not just a regular support. They are giving you a lot of extra benefits for joining using my link down below. Below today's video, guys, you can see there will be a link as well popping up on the screen, and link down below, a full video about how I am dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin this bear market using Coinbase. So you can go ahead and check that video. I literally posted it 2 days ago, so it's really new and fresh video. And you can see there is a link for coinbase.com/affiliate, which is my affiliate link down there, guys. If you want to join and help out the channel, that would be amazing. Simply $25 USDC free for sign up and KYC, and the further extra bonuses as well if you were interested in that. So in my opinion, Coinbase is one of the best exchanges out there, and I'm very, very happy and feel very safe to go ahead and trade on it. That's why I've entered this trade over on Coinbase. I will leave it open, and I will update you if I'm entering more trades on Coinbase. Also, it's great for buying on spot as well. If you did want to go ahead and buy on spot, Coinbase is one of the, in my opinion, Of course, not a financial advice, the safest exchanges out there, and I have no problem buying and holding a little bit within my risk appetite on the Coinbase platform. So that is Coinbase, guys. I really appreciate. Go ahead and check it out. The link is down below. Let's now talk about this, because the Bitcoin spot and perpetual futures demand growth for 30 days, we can see that it is now starting to flip positive. What many have been waiting for over the past 7 months has finally happened. It's crazy, honestly. Bitcoin demand has synchronized and turned positive across both the spot and the futures market. Spot demand plus futures demand equals a key factor needed for a bullish rally into this bull market, which we are slowly getting into. We're still in a bear market, but we are slowly coming into a bull. We haven't seen this kind of alignment in a long time. And yes, we did previously had flashes right here of some positivity back in July right there. And previously, last year in April, May, June, we saw a lot of pushes when we saw or this year, a lot of pushes right here. And again, we are finally starting to see a little bit of clarity right there. But overall, the market got absolutely wrecked because of these. Of course, a lot of people got wrecked in 24 hours, but there will be a lot of people, like the people in the Chart Chasers Telegram group, over 1,300 members, that actually made some good profits just from me journaling my trades. So go ahead and join that down below as well. Now we have finally found a direction, at least for the short term. We can see previously we had a lot around here, 65K, a lot down here at 62K. And I was telling you that we are between these two levels. And finally now, if we look on the daily chart, it looks like we could have seen a break of this massive stress and just on basically not knowing where we are going on the next few days and weeks, because we have finally broken out from this 67K level and we are finally looking a little bit bullish. Again, we saw this previously. I want to keep in mind that we still do have a very strong level right here. We can see around this range right here, we have a super strong level for Bitcoin, and we can see exactly approximately at around this level right here. It's a huge strong level of resistance for Bitcoin, not really going back there, but specifically here for Bitcoin. And again, this is going to cause problems with Bitcoin, like it will with that VPVR, which I showed you at the start of the video. I'll bring it back up once again, like we did with this VRVP, if I can say it correctly. We can see that there is a lot of levels right there for the Bitcoin price, and we can in fact see that this will start to become a problem. This is on the weekly chart. If we go to the 3-day chart as well, this will probably, and zoom out, this will probably become apparent as well that there's a lot of price action in this area. And yes, it does look like on the 3-day chart we have broken above it, depending on where we put the chart. But on the daily chart, it's very much looking like a massive block right there for the Bitcoin price. And we can see that exactly right here from this level of resistance which I've drawn. So keep your eyes glued to the charts in the next few days. Keep your eyes glued to Coinbase if you did want to go ahead and make some trades over there, and also keep your eyes glued to Chart Chasers as well. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. I'll update you tomorrow with a further video and an update on the market, and I'll catch you in the next one.